Housing Life Meet the Leaders. Today we have Mr. Aditya Gupta, CEO and Managing Director, AG Group, which is a leading manufacturer for conveyor belts in India. AG Group is the only manufacturer of fabric-based conveyor belts and accessories in Southeast Asia and continuously involved in new development as per changing market demand. Thank you, Aditya, for accepting our invite and joining us on the platform today.
Thank you, Akshita. First of all, thank you very much for the inviting me at your platform. We at AG Group, you can say that offer comprehensive product line and conveyor component in partnership together with collaboration with many other world leaders and catering the industry since 1988, and one of the largest player of the belting and all the conveyor components in India. So we are into the power transmission also, and as well as the conveyor components, having a complete range of belts you can see, and also for the round belts, conveyor rollers and conveyor chains, as well as modular belts, and you can say polyurethane sleeves, timing pulleys, timing belts, many other products you can find about it, whichever is being used for conveying. That's why we are having a logo conveying non-stop movement. Now, when we say about it that our business, we are doing a business entire pan India, not only in India, I would have to say that we are doing the business together with many other of our distributors all over the world. From here, we are exporting our belts to United States, also to Europe, to Middle East, and many other countries. We have a full distribution network and having serving all the industries. You can say about it that right from beginning, we started our business together with ceramic industries, and then as well you can find for beverages industries, textile industry, and as well as postal, packaging, food industries, FMCG. And of course, when we are scattering all these industries also, there is a lot of packaging segments are coming, because in today's scenario, you can find about it, whatever you, if you can see the good things, then only it's being sellable. So you have to do all the good packaging for that. And for packaging, you need to have all good quality of the conveying belts, and also so that you are going to have a bigger milestone and without having less maintenance in the product program. Right. So we changed to the end packaging line, and as well as we did the logistics and e-commerce for that. That was our you can say that the new segment, because e-commerce is the latest segment in India. So we entered way back, I believe, maybe 6-7 years ago in this kind of segment.
So you've just mentioned about e-commerce industry. Could you please elaborate on the product offerings that you may have and the kind of clients you've been serving?
In the e-commerce industry, this is an industry where we are able to offer all kind of our PVC and PU coated conveyor belts. We are offering the modular belts, and if you will look at our PVC conveyor belts, we are making a PVC conveyor belts here in India till 3 meter wide, and with a different variety, making almost 150 type of the belts as per the requirements of the customers. So in e-commerce, I can say about it, the major applications are coming. You can say the loading, unloading, then transportation, then you have to do the shorting, you have to do the accumulation also. And of course, for doing all these things, it's quite easy to say about it that that this is an industry which is quite easy to look at. But when we go inside into it, to running all these things, the trouble-free environment, trouble-free system, you need to have a lot of special kind of the belts. And of course, on top of that also, we have to see the safety of the customers also. So we have to make all the belts which is quite good, you can find. And then of course low noise, because noise is also a problem into it. So we are facing a lot of challenges in the market, and accordingly we have to make the belts. And you can understand the making the belts in India, it's not so easy, because we are still quite a lot dependent onto the European players, which are basically the raw metal suppliers to us. And as well as the belts which we are making also here, which is you can find about it, the energy saving belts, because when you are making a belt, you can be able to make a very good quality of the belts and very solid, but then you are finding about it that it's going to be take a lot of energy. So this is also a very, very important area. So when we go to the warehousings, you can find about it the warehousings like Flipkart, Mahindra, and then Amazon and many others, Ecom and all are having. You can find about it. There is always a limitations to the space. So many times what happened, you have to make the systems, because when we say about the shortings are coming from the first of all, from the lorry, they have to be take out the all the packages, then they have to be take to the upside of the first floor or second floor for shorting, and then they have to be take the down also. So for taking all these challenges, you need to have a very special kind of the belt. So sometimes we are having a glossy finish belts, so less accumulation. Then we are having a matte finish also. Sometimes longitudinal rape, super grape, many other kind, Novo type belts, PVK belts. So many type of the belts we are having, which is basically a fabric based belts. And to cater all these things, and together with that, what we find about it, that earlier it was only the PVC belts, but then we find about the challenges also, because many times in e-commerce, you are never aware about it, what kind of packages are coming up in that. So the challenges was that you have to make some kind of belts, which is a cut resistant belt, because in the packages, any kind of packages are coming up. So we changes our scenario from fabric also. So additionally, we give in the e-commerce and logistic industries, which we were doing into the end packaging line and all the pharma, all the beverages industry. So we put the modular belts. So at this moment, I can say about it that together to make the systems with the modular belts, which is a more sturdy, having a very long life. So we made a very special belts for e-commerce, which is one of the strongest belt at this moment available in the segment in the world. So we are having a special UHMW, because friction is again the question is coming to the energy saving. Question is coming also that how we have to be make a high life of the belt. So we made our belt with the highest strength, and as well as we made the belt which is a lightweight and which can be able to give an energy saving. So together with that, we made the belts of the modular belts. And even though for the conveying application, because in the past, if we let's say about it last year, what we were just doing, the belts which was for a turning applications was an open hinge belt. So we changed that open hinge belt, because in many cases we are finding about it, some of the parts which are very small part, because the challenges which we are facing in e-commerce is like this, that all kinds of packets are coming, even though the packet which is a 20 grams to 25 kg, and they cannot be able to make, and they cannot be able to change all kinds of the different warehouses, that here we can take this size of packet, here we can take this size of packet. So sometimes we have to find it out these challenges. So our belts are now able to cater from lowest possible the 20 grams packet, as well as 25 kg, whether it is in Jiffy, whether it is in totes, or whatever the way it is coming up. So we are continuously we are developing the products for them. And even though today also we are looking the challenges with them, because their technical teams are giving some of the questions to us, that these are the new applications are coming up and how we have to go ahead with that. So every day there are the challenges for us.
There are many partners which AG Group has, and they help them provide you world-class solutions. Could you please share some details on that?
Like we say about it, that the fabric-based conveyor belts, the company called Derco in Netherlands, they are one of the largest company, you can say. So we started our cooperation together with them in 1991, and since our incorporation together with them, it was our in the mind that we have to be have the first company which is going to be start the manufacturing of these kind of conveyor belts in India. So we took a step into this, and in 2010 we built a plant here in India, and we are having a 4 manufacturing line here in India, where we are making the 2 lines are making a 2-meter wide belts and 2 lines are for a 3-meter wide belts. And these are the belts which we are able to make world class. If you will say any of the competition, whosoever is the world leaders which are catering the industry since last 50-40 years. So they are still we are able to make the same kind of belts at par belts, and we are using same suppliers of the fabric, same kind of the PVC. We all are having the same kind of suppliers, and the belts we are making totally world class. So that was the history you can say about it for the PVC conveyor belt, PVC and PU coated conveyor belts. Then we are talking about it for modular belts, for conveyor components. We join hands together with Movex Italy. They are one of the world leader into it, and then they are making complete range of the modular belts. At the beginning, it was only for the brewery and beverages and then packaging line, but then they increased their range towards all kind of the e-commerce and logistics. So there are continuous development is coming as per the requirement of the customers, as well as there is another company also we are having also again into the modular belts, that is a Modutech. They are based in Turkey, and these guys are also making a belts which is basically for the food industry, for packaging industry. So we are having a joint venture together with them, and of course these are the major things you can find about it. Then for e-commerce industry, you can find that we are manufacturing conveyor rollers, which is one of the very prime area in the e-commerce, because you have to be, because everything you cannot be able to move completely onto the belt, so you need to be use some of the rollers there. So we are manufacturing rollers. We are doing for sliding the modular belts, we are having a UHMW, machining, extrusion and all. So these are the things. Then when we say about it, we are also a partners of Continental Contitech here in India for power transmission belts, and as well as from Mulco, Germany. So these are the so at this moment you can find about it that together with our some of the trading, value addition and complete manufacturing, we are representing approximately 10 to 11 big companies here in India, and they are world leaders in their kind of the product program.
How has COVID changed the business for you? Have you developed any new products during the COVID-19 period?
Yes, we are seeing a very seismic shift in the way corporation conduct business due to COVID-19. In the efforts to protect their employees and help avoid the spread of the virus, what we just did it, like the other companies also have did, and new came into it, and employees are working from home, halting in person the meetings, then canceling conferences and etc. So we took this into the advantage also into it, and then we just find about that we have to be do meetings together with we changed our system and we did the meetings together with the Zoom meetings. And as well as you can find about it, because you cannot be able to meet personally, so we trained our guys during this period, and that's all so that we can be able to make the productive activities. And of course we have done a lot of reshaping in our company, put a new ERP system in our company, and as well as I can find about it, the new developments during this period was done by us. Like we put a new 3-meter line together with our super grip production, which is going to be when we are talking about the inclined and declined applications in e-commerce industry, which is having a lot of demand of these kind of belts, the wider belts, which is they have to be taken to the upside down, and they have to be taken to the decline and inclined applications. We developed that belt for that industry. Even though we developed the belt, the new belt, which is our flex top roller top belt, which is basically for together with the MoveX, we did that development, and that is for diverting application, for shorting application. So all the e-commerce and logistic industries are having these demands, because sometimes what happened that your product is running onto a one flow and you want to be short down those products. So let's say the one belt is running to one direction, and then you want to be segregate all these, shorting all these products. So this is basically a roller top belt, and you can be able to make this belt as an active belt anywhere, wherever you want that belt. So this was one of the development done by us, as well as we have done a development also putting a new UHMW extrusion lines. And by putting these lines, you can find about it that very easy, because if our customer is looking out some of the new development of low coefficient of friction UHMW guide and machining parts, so we can be able to give these. So we installed the 9 extruders here in India. These all the extruders was earlier running in Italy. So these all has been shifted to India now. And we installed those extrusion lines here in India. Then we have done a development also, some kind of the roller business also we have extended, and we put a new type of the rollers also, which is a poly V driven rollers here. So that assembly also we have started, as well as we have developed a one belt, modular belt, which is basically for the UV tunnels for sanitations. So you can be able to have online sanitation tunnels where the modular belts is running there, and you can be able to put your products to do the disinfect of the virus. So these are the developments we have done during this period. And still, I'm not going to say about it that we have stopped that. We are still doing a lot of continuous development also. Whatever the demands are coming from the market, some special demands are coming up. So we are continuously developing those products as well.
Could you also share your expansion plans?
Yeah, expansion plans, I can be able to say that at this moment, we are looking out at this moment to put in one new line also of the 3 meter, which is for the heavy application belts, which is able to cater not only the heavy application belts for the e-commerce as well as for the stone industries. So it is a major investments we are looking here for that, and putting up one new plant for new machinery for 3 meter additional PVC conveyor belt to make the belt till 12.5 millimeter thick, very, very heavy belts. As well as we are looking up also that the new development, we are looking up our zero contact belts. At this moment, we are having the outer radius till 2200 millimeter wide, and there we are looking about it that we should have to go something around approximately 2400 millimeter wide, so we can be able to make a more industry scattering where the big boxes, the torts and all are coming up, so it can be able to turn in a easier way. Because at this moment there are some of the applications by the customers, we are finding about it in those applications that the torts are not being turned very precisely into it because the curve is too small. So to increase that area, we are developing that product as well. And so these are the some of the new plannings we are having. So for that, it's not only I just told you something in a wider basis, but if you look at in the micro basis, you can find about it to develop all these things. By saying it's quite easy, but together with that, you need to have a lot of utilities into it, and a lot of other infrastructure is required for that. As well as we are at this moment, what we are looking about it also towards to the services. One is the selling. The service is also very important. Once you have sold the product, but if entire pan India you have sold the products, then after this, maybe after a few years, it's going to get damaged due to some reason. So we have to be increased capacities of our services all over India. So at this moment, I can say about it, our services are it's all, even though if you will say any of the e-commerce company, they are telling about it that we are having appreciations also. that our services are one of the best that we are able to give in site joint. When we are talking about the commissioning of some of the systems, we are able to do, which we are doing very quickly, as well as you can find about it that the fastener fitting for site. So no opening, and that product is not coming to our warehouse and workshop. What we are doing completely on the site. So we are training our guys to do that, even though in a better way, so that we can do all kind of the services at the site, and customers are not going to face any kind of problems. That's all we are going to be do. So and still there are continuous processes there.
Great. I have another question.
Yeah.
AG Group is a well-known brand for providing quality belting solutions. What makes you stand out in front of your competition?
That's a very good question, Akansha, you have asked. If we look at our competitions, all the competitors, few of them are 100-year-old, few of them are 50-year-old, and those all are having all kind of international levels, and they are having a presence all over the world. So it's a very tough task for us, but I can say about it, it's better that this question has been given by our customers, but we are having a lot of appreciations. If you say any of the company, any of the international company which is manufacturing here in India, we are having our good presence with them, and we are being treated by those customers at par against any of our competition, whether it is so-called the world leader or 100-year-old company, or having infrastructure all over the world. So we are really thankful to all those customers. And it's not only one customer, I can say. I'm talking about the world leaders, like if you say about it, the Amazon, we are being treated by them as a first level suppliers with in their business. If you will say that in or any automobile company, you say any pharma company, Coca-Cola, Pepsi, whatever you say about it, that our products is being treated at par against our competitors. So I would have to be say that that's a good achievement, because we are not very old company. We started 1988 with a very small area. So now at this moment, we are running around approximately 150 direct employees in our company. So I'm really thankful with all of our customers, all of our channel partners. So they are really having a good confidence on us and giving us a very good support.
Is there something that you'd like to share with the industry through our platform?
I should have to be say, first of all, that sincere and humble thanks for all the support we got from our suppliers, channel partners, employees. We strive hard to meet and even exceed customers' expectations. And as well as I can say, even though during this crisis, all the guys have really given us very good support. And I can say about it that remind of the special responsibility that a company like ours has at the time. Food, beverages, products we are giving to inside in our company also. We are giving to all of our employees also. And I can say about it that we all should have to be contribute to this during this COVID period. It's a real very hard time, I can say about it, especially for the poor guys, especially to cater the industries also. We have to be quite humble in that, and this is what all of our duties, that we should have to be care all those guys. We should have to be give whatever the best possible we can be able to give. We should have to be give to them. And this is what we have told inside in our company, whatever the best possible help we can do, not only inside in the company. I can say about it, this is our responsibility to society as well, that we should have to be find out that how we can be able to support those guys without leaving the discipline, without of course it's a real critical time, I can say about it. But there are the lot of challenges at this moment, and we have to be a little bit more focused at this moment. It's really a tough time, I can say about it. If we are losing our path, then we all are coming in a trouble. So it's our responsibility that we should have to be keep the safety, and as well as we have to be find it out how we can do our continuity of the business. So we should have to be very much focused into it, and as well as we can find about it that providing a helping hands to the communities around us and our business partners, which we are doing. Whosoever our partners are also having problems, we are always giving all kind of the supports to them. And at this moment, we can understand very well about it. The flights are not coming, so getting up the material and all is also a very big difficulty. But okay, our government is doing whatever the best they are able to do. So this is also our duty. That and of course I can be able to say about it. This is also we should have to look at as the opportunity, because in India we are getting less dependent now. I can say earlier we were having a more dependency onto the, we have to do the face-to-face meeting. Now we are using more of the IT work we are doing from home, and we are able to cater the industry in an even the better manner. So I think by seeing all these things, we are having a better opportunities now to cater the world. So we should have to look at not only the Indian market at this moment, which is of course this time is for India, I would have to be say, but we have to look at for international market. We have to be cater from India, and this is a good time. Maybe after a few months the situation will get improved, but if we will be completely intact, focused and positive, then only we can be able to do. If we are losing our focus, then it's really a tough time. So we have to be very much focused. We have to be find it out that how we can be able to keep out our virus, keep out this virus out from our India as well as all over the world. And then only I think that we can be able to find it out that how the world is going to be work. So I would have to be say that let be work together and join hands together, and let make a kind of the chain. And if any link of the chain is being broken, it will be a big difficulty, and anybody can be able to get dent into it. So if we keep the chain together, and it's a very nice platform I'm finding about it, warehousing, and good startup you guys have taken, and we are going to be see you soon at the exhibition platform, and let hope for the best. So stay safe.
On that note, thank you so much, Aditya, for sharing such insights and for your valuable time. Until we meet another warehousing expert, see you all. Thank you very much.